more skilled trades that we can get in here, the better off our company and our nation will be.
My name is Jay Young. I work at Iosco RISA in Tawas City. Manufacturing Day exposes students to different opportunities that are out there.
Today we got to explore a ton of different career opportunities.
You'll always find a job in the welding industry, as well as like plumbing, electrical. All that stuff's needed all around the world.
Students can go in there and get an apprenticeship. They have the base knowledge from going to classes like these in high school, and then they can go and get a job like that and learn on the job as they work and earn money.
It doesn't have to be millions of miles away. It's literally right in your backyard.
My name is Colin Huffmeyer. I'm the Business Services Coordinator for Michigan Works Northeast Consortium. The importance of Talent Tours lies in that it provides exposure to students and job seekers to a career pathway that for a very long time has lacked the needed exposure.
Find something that you love to do, because that's the most important thing.
And it's such a fulfilling moment when I get to see a student's eyes light up when they realize, hey, I'm good at that, or that is something I could really see myself doing for years to come.
It was really cool to see people that really enjoyed working with each other and having so much fun at their job.
When I got out of high school, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. I was offered this job, and between advancing in the company and the college courses I've been taking, I'm very proud of my accomplishments since high school.
You can earn plenty of money doing jobs as welding, machining, automotive. You can do any of that stuff. The trades are hurting and they need people.
So I think it's really important for students to remember that and stay hopeful about the future, because there is always an option.